Good Monday morning, South Georgia. We are colder this morning by 10, 15 degrees in some cases, so you really will need to bundle up as most of us are falling into the 30s this morning. We do have a high cloud deck over us too. It's going to make it feel a little colder, kind of a gloomy start to our Monday with the high clouds, upper 30s. We'll reach the 40s though by 8 and into the 50s at 10 and then kind of level off here in the low to mid 60s from midday onward. We'll see the winds pretty light today out of the east and a little more sunshine as the afternoon wears on. Your evening planner, clearing skies, 57 to 49, and then tomorrow we'll go down to 44 seasonable degrees, maybe a little bit below average, but a seasonable chill definitely in the air. All right, let's go to the weather maps because it is going to be very active here as we go into our Tuesday. A warm front lifting north and east, a low pressure that is bombing out. This is going to be a major storm system, severe threat on the southeast flank and a blizzard on the northwest flank. So this is the warm fronts. Look at the tightening of the pressure gradient. A lot of wind is going to be whipping in here, especially Tuesday night. We could see winds gusting to 40 miles per hour before the thunderstorms even move in. When do they move in? They'll cross our northwestern communities around 2 to 3 a.m., moving into the Albany area between 5 and 7, Bainbridge and Cordele as well. Highway 319 looks like between 6 and 7, and then 8 to 9 along I-75 eastward. By 10 o'clock we'll be done, and we will see the winds blowing on the backside of the north-northwest. So the breeze will continue to blow throughout the day, ushering in colder air into South Georgia. So get ready to bundle up once again. We're definitely seeing this pattern of up and down with the temperatures, and this time even an isolated severe threat for our area. So it is marginal for most of our area. Only Coffee County has a slight risk of severe storms, which would raise that tornado threat to moderate. But the winds are going to be the main story here Wednesday, 2 to 10 a.m. Again, we've got a marginal risk, 5% chance of damaging winds and a 2% chance of tornado. You add that tornado threat to about 5% chance for Coffee County and then 15% chance for Coffee County again. Because it's moving so fast, we're not expecting any flooding. Looks like the hail will stay to our west. We'll keep an eye on that as well. So again, I've discontinued the first alert weather day, but it is an alert day because it will be windy through that period, 2 to 10 a.m., especially with those thunderstorms rolling in. So warmer, breezy, tomorrow 44 to 79 with sunshine disappearing by late, and then morning strong storms, early morning really, and windy throughout the day. Southwest winds 25 on average, but gusting as high as 40, 61 to 75. Colder on our Thursday, 40 to 61, and then Friday, cold to mild, 37 to 72. So a very active start for the first week of meteorological spring and also March. We'll talk more about it on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. Of course, we'll see you then.